Hello everybody, this will be a part 3 of basic Market Cipher B tutorial. If you guys like any of this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Anyways, in this video, we're going to be talking about VWAP, and the VWAP is the third thing that I kind of look for when I am trading divergences using Market Cipher B. If we go to our settings on Market Cipher B, I'll turn it on and off. The VWAP is the yellow thing you see on my chart. When you import it, it's gonna look like a kind of a second momentum wave in a way. But I used settings and changed it to a line. Therefore, it's kind of easier to read, in my opinion, and it doesn't really interfere when you have everything turned on Market Cipher B. Anyways, what it is the volume weighted average price, and it's used in defining momentum waves and when they are going to change. When the VWAP crosses the zero line, it creates a dot and it changes the way the momentum is going, and it can also represent a change in direction in price. And so how I kind of trade using the VWAP is, as you can see right now, it is kind of like pointing downward, meaning in the future, our momentum wave is possibly going to go along with it and go towards the downward side. At the moment, it is moving upward, but with the VWAP, it changes the direction of the momentum waves in simplest form. Another way of using the VWAP, I personally don't use this too many times, but you can also use it for extra confirmation, is that when you're trading divergences, you can use it with confluence in the momentum waves. And so as you can see, the momentum waves are going down in this bearish divergence, and our VWAP is showing the same thing. And so it adds extra confluence. It's not necessarily something you want to be looking for all the time, but it does help. In this case, when I am using the VWAP, how I use it is when I am looking at this divergence, I kind of want to see the VWAP start to go downwards into the zero line. Therefore, it creates like a pivot in the Market Cipher momentum indicator. And so that was a bearish divergence example. Let's look at a bullish divergence example. Right here, we have price making lower lows as our momentum is making higher lows. And we can see here that our VWAP is kind of making higher lows too. And with this, what helps too is that at the time, let me delete this trend line so you can see it better, but at the time you can see the VWAP coming up and about to cross the zero line when this happens. Thanks for watching this short video on VWAPs on Market Cipher B. What you want to be looking for with VWAPs is it crossing over the zero line. This adds extra confluence when you are trading divergences. And so when a VWAP is crossing up, you tend to want to be looking for bullish divergences. And when a VWAP is crossing down over the zero line, you want to be looking for bearish divergences. And if you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Along with, I'll be leaving a link to a free Discord where I post all my trades and other trading information. Thanks. Bye.